At 19, I was broke. Not, I can't afford a car broke. I mean, skip lunch to save $3 broke. But by the end of my second year as a student, I had made my first $10,000. Not from a fancy job, not from rich parents, and definitely not from winning the lottery. I did it by following a process so simple you could start it today. If you are willing, then write willing in comments so that I can count how many students are willing to change their lives. And that's what I want to share with you. Because if you're a student right now, you have two choices: waste these years chasing distractions, or use them as the launch pad for your financial freedom. So let's break this down into 4 stages. Think of them as levels in a game. Each one gets you closer to your first $10,000. Stage 1, the wake-up call. Stop wasting pennies. Most students bleed money without even noticing it. $5 coffees, $20 nights out, subscriptions they forgot about. That was me. Every dollar I made disappeared, until one day I asked myself, if I can't manage $100, why would I ever deserve $10,000? So I tracked every expense, and within weeks I found leaks I didn't even know existed. Just by cutting them, I freed up my first $200. From this stage, we learn wealth starts by keeping, not earning. Stage 2, the hustle, trade skills, not time. The problem with student jobs: they pay you by the hour, which means your income is capped. So instead, I looked for problems I could solve. I learned simple skills: basic graphic design, writing, tutoring, skills I could sell for more than minimum wage. The rule I discovered was this: if you can help someone make money, save money, or save time, they'll happily pay you. This shift took me from $200 to $2,000. Stage 3, the snowball. Reinvest, don't flex. The first time I hit $2,000, I wanted to celebrate. New shoes, new phone, new everything. But I stopped myself, because here's the truth: flexing feels good for a week. Reinvesting feels good for a lifetime. I put that money into tools and learning. A better laptop, courses to sharpen my skills, books that taught me business. That's when opportunities multiplied. Clients came back. Referrals started rolling in. Suddenly, my side hustle didn't feel small anymore. And that's how I went from $2,000 to $7,000. Stage 4, the breakthrough. Systems over stress. At this point, I was juggling classes, assignments, and clients, and I was burning out. The mistake most students make: they try to do everything themselves. Instead, I built small systems, templates to save time, schedules to stay consistent, even hiring a friend to handle smaller tasks. That freed me to focus on what mattered most: delivering real value. Within months, I passed the $10,000 mark. And here's the funny thing: it wasn't luck, it wasn't genius, it was just process. If you're a student right now, here's the formula in one line: cut the leaks, learn a skill, reinvest the profits, build simple systems. Do that, and $10,000 isn't just possible, it's inevitable. And remember, the goal isn't the $10,000 itself. It's proving to yourself that you can create money anytime, anywhere. Because once you unlock that, you'll never see the world the same way again. If this resonated, don't just scroll away. Subscribe, because in my next video, I'll show you the biggest mistakes students make that keep them broke. I'll see you there.